Umele? Si akiongea ni sini wangu akiongea na shida.
So ni wabo sisi tumeki.
Hiyo bank ilikuwa withdraw kotini.
Ilikuwa withdraw. Kwa sababu nililipa hiyo pesa.
Tulipa hiyo interest.
They wanted him to produce an identity card to show that he is working for the army. But he became arrogant. He started harassing the police officers. The police officers then arrested him and started interrogating him. On interrogation, they found that this person was actually cheating the officers. The officers have made a step by even visiting his residence, and also the area people who confirmed that this person is not working with the army. We are going actually to charge this person for impersonating as a government officer, whereas he is not. And again, it seems that this person has been conning people. We found some documents that purported that he is looking employment for these people. So these are really conmen, and we are actually urging the members of the public to report to the police over such people who are actually out to con them.